Hey guys, jey.wee here and welcome back to a new video. Today I wanted to briefly introduce you to my new HUION graphic tablets. I ordered the HUION KAMVAS 13 including stand. Together I paid about 280 euros, so I think it's a completely fair price. The first thing we have here is the stand, and I have to say it makes a solid and stable impression. A small fold out barrier with magnets to keep the screen from slipping down, and small rubber stripes on the right and the left side for good slip resistance. I think it's pretty good, so when you're drawing there's nothing slipping around. And the stand is also adjustable in several positions. So now we come to the tablet itself. The packaging is simple and the most important data is on it, so nothing special, I think. First of all we see the display, of course, but I take a closer look at it later. Then we have the manual with it, of course in several languages, nice and clean, and I think it's easy to understand in my opinion. Then we have the glove, which you can use for drawing. I would recommend to use it so that you don't have the fingerprints on it. The glove also feels good and it fits me perfectly, but I have to say that I have really small hands, so I don't know if this fits for everyone. Then we have the drawing pen. It feels well crafted and it fits good in my hand. All in all, everything looks very high quality so far. And as usual, the pen has two buttons and has a small rubber coating on the front, so you have better grip on it. Last but not least, we have the holder for the pen, and inside you will find the 10 other refills for the pen, so it's pretty nice. And yeah, finally the cables are included, nothing special. It's a HDMI connection, and you can connect your Android phone with the other cable. I haven't done it yet, but it's not supposed to work that well, so yeah, maybe I will have a look at it again. So now I will get my setup done quickly and I will try to illustrate my first artwork on the new tablet, and yeah, let's see this in a quick time lapse. I hope it's good. So I'm really thrilled. After my first drawing, I can say that it's really great that there's no more gap between the pen and the display, as it is now soft with the foil instead of a glass, I think. It's really good, and the pen lies very soft in the hand and glides nicely over the display. It's also a very good point in my opinion. And especially the pressure sensitivity is very nice. Of course, you can still adjust everything with the driver or the software which you have to download from HUION. And yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing or review, whatever you will call it. And next Sunday there will be a new episode of You Wish I Draw, and until then, peace out.